In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Mortal Kombat 11 with your friends. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. You will be able to play versus your friends on Mortal Kombat 11 by opening up the game, selecting play, and when you have to choose the mode, make sure you select online. In the online mode options, you will be able to scroll down until you find private. As you can see inside private, you can do a 1v1, a custom lobby, or a practice round. I recommend you select a 1v1. This will allow you to invite your friend online to play 1 versus 1. As long as they are on your friends list, regardless of which platform both of you are on, you will be able to invite them and start playing right away. As long as both of you are on the same lobby, you will be able to select your characters and start playing 1v1. If you are doing local multiplayer, what you have to do instead is simply connect the second controller and both of you will be able to play together. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Mortal Kombat 11 with your friends. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.